Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Google My Business for local SEO, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Google My Business for local SEO, start by visiting the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button in the top right corner. If you already have a Google account, sign in. If not, create a new account following the prompts. Once logged in, enter your business name in the search box. If your business appears, select it. If it doesn't, click on Add Your Business. Choose the appropriate category that best fits your business. Fill in your business details, including address, phone number, and website. Ensure your address is accurate for better local search results. Select your service area if you provide services in multiple locations. Add your business hours to inform customers when you're available. Upload your business logo and photos to enhance your profile. Write a compelling business description highlighting what you offer. Verify your business through the method suggested, usually by mail. Once verified, complete your profile by adding any additional information. Engage with customers by responding to reviews promptly. Regularly update your Google My Business profile with the latest information. Post updates and special offers to keep your audience informed. Track insights available in your dashboard to monitor performance. This will help you refine your strategy for local SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.